Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King Tekken 8 Beginner Updated. Start by learning King's command throws, giant swing, chain throw starters, and basic safe pokes right away. Focus on consistent timing for grabs and quick movement to pressure opponents. Train common juggle routes and wall carry so you turn openings into big damage. Keep practicing short sessions and review replays to spot recurring mistakes and improve steadily. Warm up with movement drills that combine short dashes, side steps, and neutral backsteps to avoid projectiles and linear strings. Practice DF1 and WS1 as your primary pokes for interrupting slower attacks and creating pressure. Work on timing throws after a poke to enforce mix-ups and prevent predictable play. Record a few rounds to analyze spacing errors, then repeat drills focusing on consistency and reaction speed for tangible improvement. In this video, I will explain how to play King Tekken 8 Beginner Updated. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with long practice sessions by helping you think long-term and reduce stress. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Build 2 Gora combos, a consistent mid-screen route and an optimized wall combo to maximize damage after throws or launchers. Drill each combo until every input flows without hesitation, then add movement to get into range. Use pokes and whiff baits to create conversion opportunities and learn which moves keep King safe on block. Stay mindful of opponent position so you convert spacing into guaranteed damage and control the match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.